Are you tired of carrying your heavy backpack? Well, say no more. Hey guys, Kyle Breeze here to show you the new way to carry your belongings on your FZ07. This tail bag is packed full of features, including a reflective strip to let everybody know you paid too much money, fake carbon fiber to trick all your Honda friends, an easy and quick disconnection system. This bag opens up to give you an enormous amount of room. It's enough space to fit a full tripod, a communication system, a drone, and even a full-size battery. But wait, there's more. If you unzip the second zipper, it extends a full 2 inches. Now you have enough room to fit an extra set of handlebars, extra oil, a small skateboard, and even an extra helmet for when it's date night. You get all this and more. If you order your Nelson Rigg bag now, you will receive a free waterproof cover that is kind of irritating to get on. Also including that the tail bag's here now, it's really hard to get onto the bike. Do you have a hard time talking to girls? No need to worry, they ain't riding on this anyways. Order yours today. The Nelson Rigg tail bag actually does lower your chances with women, and it is harder to get onto the bike because of the bag. But to be honest, it is really a nice bag. It's nice to have the extra